Alright, welcome back. Let's see how you did. So point M is the midpoint, so that's a keyword, that's the midpoint. Let's label that. XM, YM, that's the midpoint. They're given point A, that's the first point, let's call that X1, Y1. And just find the other endpoint. So here we have this midpoint, but since we're going to break into two equations, let's copy these two formulas. So the midpoint of x is just x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Substituting correctly. So this is 2, 5 plus, I don't know what that is, divided by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So this cancel, multiply this by 2, and that'll give you 4. Solve it. Get -1 equal x. So that's the first one. Do the same thing for the other one. So substituting in, you get -2 equal 6 plus y over 2. So get rid of that fraction, the bottom 2, we just multiply both sides by 2. This cancel, so you get -4 equals 6 plus y here. Subtract 6 both sides, and you get -10 equal y, or y equal -10. So that means the b coordinate is -1 comma -10. Now how do I know if that's right? You can always put in the graph here and just figure out if that's the correct spot. See if that is in the middle. Yeah. Do the same thing for number 2. So this extra process now. So it's just mx equal x1 plus x2 over 2. Plug it in, label this mx, my, x1, y1. So we have 2 equal 4 plus x over 2. Get rid of that fraction, so that denominator is 2, so multiply both sides by 2. This cancel, so we have 4 equal 4 plus x, minus 4 both, so s equals 0. Do the same thing for the y coordinate. So the midpoint of y here is y1 plus y2 over 2. So that will be -5 equal -4 plus y over 2. Multiply both sides by 2. This cancel here. -10 equal -4 plus y plus 4 to both sides here. You get -6 equal y, or y equal -6. So b coordinate is 0 comma -6. Okay. Alright. Last example. So just a quick review. You gotta remember how to do the distance. Well, to find distance, d equal the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay? You want to know that. That's definitely showing up in the quiz. So this is my first point. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Just substituting in. Let's see, -2 minus x1 is 4 square plus y2 is -1 minus, here we have -9 square. So just be aware that right here, just right here is part of it. Yeah. Alright, this right here tell you what happened here. For that part become positive. Now just make sure you know your algebra. -2, -4, they're both same sign, so you get -6 squared. Remember, you're not multiplying, so they don't become positive. -1 and +9 is different, so subtract them. They're the bigger, so you have 8, +8. -6 squared, so -6 times -6. Times is positive, 6 times 6 is 36. 8 squared is 64. Add them up, 100, square rooted, which is just 10. Go ahead and do the next example on your own, and then make sure you go ahead and do it closer, and let the teacher take a look and see if you're on the right path.